Hello children, welcome to 3rd standard English. Today our topic conjunction.
Children, first we see new words from this chapter. Conjunctions. Words that connect two words or sentences. For example, and, but, or, so, because, after, before, etc. Chant. Sing. Chant means sing. Sour, not sweet. For example, having a taste like that a lemon. Ripe, fully grown and ready to eat. Fully grown and ready to eat. Next, laughter, the act of laughing. The act of laughing. Laden with, full of. Laden with, full of. Gripped, moved slowly, quietly and carefully, because you don't want to be seen or heard. Frustration, a feeling of unhappiness when you do not get what you want. Okay children, what is the conjunction? A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. Conjunction joining two words in a sentence. For example, we rest at home and study in school. This dress is beautiful but expensive. He will return home before father comes back. Then conjunction joining two sentences. For the example, Ravi is rich but he is not happy. I trust you because you are my friend. Walk fast or you will miss the bus. Okay children, now we are going to see the usage of conjunction. Conjunction and is used when the second word or sentence tell us about what we expect to happen. It also gives us additional information. For example, we went to zoo and circus. Next, but is used when the second word or sentence tell us about something that we do not expect to happen. For example, Rahul opened the door but did not greet his uncle. Next conjunction or. Or is used in a sentence when there are two choices. For example, keep quiet or you may go. Then because. Because is used in a sentence to give a reason. For example, I got good marks because I worked hard. Then so. So is used in a sentence to show the result of an action. For example, he never ate on time, so he fell ill. Next conjunction, before. Before is used in a sentence to show a time earlier to the next happening. For example,
Switch off the lights before you leave the room. And next conjunction, after. After is used in a sentence to show a time later to the previous happening. For example, we went shopping after they had come. Children, remember one thing, conjunctions only connect two sentences. They do not change or modify the meaning. Conjunctions usually come between the words or sentences that they join. Okay, children, let's see the exercise. Underline conjunctions in each sentence. Children, listen. He put on his shoes and went out to play. He put on his shoes and connect this to sentences. So, and. They will come only after the film is over. Children, can you find? Yeah, what is the conjunction? After. Okay, then I cannot go out because there is nobody at home. I cannot go out because there is nobody at home. Find the conjunction. Because. Very good. Okay, then you may eat chapatis or rice for dinner. You may eat chapatis or rice for dinner. Two choices connecting the word or, so conjunction or. Okay. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.